Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to auto scroll on TikTok. To auto scroll on TikTok feed we need to use a third-party application. So for that, open your Play Store and search here automatic scroll and tap on this first application. Tap on install and after that tap on open and tap on this plus icon to the bottom right corner and search for TikTok. Once you get it, check TikTok and tap on OK and tap on start service. Tap on show the settings and now toggle on this TikTok and automatic scroll. Tap on back, again tap on start service and tap on agree and continue, and here you'll find automatic scroll, so tap on that and turn on automatic scroll. Tap on OK and then open your TikTok and you will see your TikTok feed will automatically scroll. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.